guys see? Alright, let's wait till the plane pass. Come on. As everybody, you know the thing? I was just about to say it on camera, bro. Bro, I was just about to say that. The private jet is landing and we're about to go in another jet right now. Guys, welcome to another video. POV drive on a F10 M5. Around 700 and something horsepower. It got downpipes, it's tuned, it got an intake and it got exhaust. And it's fast. Go check out the race with the M5 and the M3 if you haven't seen that yet, but this is fast. I ain't gonna tell you what happened. But it's big brother, little brother, so that's a hit. We gonna take it out for a drive, man, and let's see what it do, yeah? Bro, I love your tints. Just trying to get some honey, bro.
Okay, bro.
Bro, the heads-up display is sick.
Yeah, I love it.
See what I'm talking about? Big baller car right here.
In
Big money.
M2 at slow speeds, you just.
Yeah.
Like
It's because of the clutch that are in these cars. That does it too. It's so finicky. Okay, I can reach the pedals good. Good on the gas and brake. All right, that's the first thing you always do, guys. Yeah. Which steering I want that in comfort. We want traction off. Perfect. Bro, this steering wheel is so nice. So nice. We're recording. Yep, we're recording.
Yep, I'm locked in.
F10 M5.
Let's go.
Stop in the drive. We in manual parking brake. Let's stay this thing
and I
for
had
a
my
drive.
AC on when I was racing.
Oh yeah? Got me with AC on? I'm gonna take it this way. It's not too low yet, right? I know you told me you want to lower it. But listen to the turbos. It doesn't pop too much, right?
No, I shut burbles off.
Oh, with the tune.
Yeah, just because it was
What's
loud enough.
big old V8. Bro, you hear so much of the intakes. This is what we call Prospect International Racetrack. So every time I'm doing a POV on a car, this is where we come. Literally, that's what we call it, Prospect International Racetrack. Plus, I forgot it's your first time in the passenger seat.
Oh,
I need to chill out.
You're chilling, bro. What you just did there, if I would have accidentally done that myself, I would have pissed myself.
Boy, this thing's feel nice. And it spins so easy.
Yeah, because it's got too much backwards.
And it takes the corners though.
That's what I told you, bro, with the like, suspension. It handles well.
Oh my gosh, I need an M5.
Like Sports Plus suspension does it justice. Bro, I'm so glad I have all this on the GoPro too.
All right,
360.
we're gonna take off.
This is amazing.
We're gonna do what he just did. Get me. Ready?
I'm so ready.
All right. I knew. I was watching him the whole time. I knew he was gonna pull out, bro. I knew he was gonna pull out. Well, I mean, he came in that lane too. You see, the whole time I'm just saying, is he gonna pull out? We're gonna be, you know, a little bit cautious.
Like, what is it? Like 70% of drivers have no insurance too?
Really?
A shit ton, bro. Florida is one of the highest states, like percentage-wise, with no like drivers without insurance.
I never knew that. That's crazy.
Bro, yes, because we have. I mean, I love immigrants, but because we have so many immigrants.
So they don't get insurance?
Nah, they don't even give a fuck about that shit.
That's wild, bro. That's like somebody hit my boy. He got a 3 Series. He just bought it and somebody hit it and they didn't have any insurance. Bro, this thing is so violent. Oh my gosh, bro, this shit is fast as hell. Oh my gosh, and the because of V8,
It's torquey, bro. It just takes off and then the turbos catch up.
that's crazy.
It's a beautiful thing, bro.
The downshifts are nice. I love the pedals too, the way they're shaped. They're nice. Let's bring it back to our little racetrack, right?
You know this shit too well, bro.
I'm telling you, it's been, bro. I just love the shifts. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. You know, it's the one that left these lines, right? Because those lines weren't there before. Guys, we're bringing back the M5.
You said you've never driven an M5, but you've
No. I've driven a bunch of M5s, F90. I've driven the M6 this generation, just not the M5. I did the M550. So I know the way the car comes around.
100%.
So guys, don't try this at home. So we can throw it in and hold it. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'm used to doing. So please, if it's your first time, go to an open spot. Don't do what we're doing, okay? Ooh, that was a lot of water, bro.
Rains every day.
We're like, we live in, I don't know where we live. We live in a jungle or something, bro. I'm gonna do a donut. You ready?
Chilling.
No cars. Ready?
Yep. Bro, and the brakes in this car
are super good. Let's bring it back. Guys, let me know what you think about the F9, the F10.
You're fucking too good at lifting this thing, bro.
Let me know what you guys think about the F10, man. We gonna teach him how to drive my animal, and then he gonna be doing the same shit in the F80. I want a picture with just it. I'll pour a little bit down more. Listen to the turbos. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm gonna go outside and I want you to rev it for me, okay? This just sounds crazy. Yeah, I love this. The longer wheelbase too make it so nice to drift. I love this car, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the F10 M5. Check out his IG, S63 Drizzy.
Yeah.
I'll leave it in the description. Heads up display. Oh my gosh, bro. This shit fully loaded.
Y'all better like the video.
For sure. And subscribe. The stars in the roof. Follow this man on IG, man. I want to hear the intakes and then I want to hear the exhaust. Listen. It's loud? Oh, really? Wait, really? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Listen. Oh my gosh. And then open them. Oh my, listen to that. Gosh, yep. Drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Shout out to God for blessing us with, you know, being able to drive the way we do. Big blessings from God, man. Church and Cars, July 27. Make sure you guys are there. The M5 should be there, the M3 should be there. Be there, man. Follow my boy S63 Drizzy. We'll see you soon.